cause could be accidental, and a detailed report of electricity inspector under the labor department is still awaited though. Also a detailed report from the Delhi Fire Services is awaited by the police, and even the forensic reports. All of these reports will be together looked at as to what caused and what triggered the fire that claimed 6 lives of the newborn babies. But see, glaring lapses that had already been at this place, that is the real picture, you know, why this tragedy unfolded and went on to be a tragedy of this magnitude. License was not there, license had expired in March. In fact, even the license that had been procured, even that license only allowed 5-bedded hospital facility, but 12 newborns were already admitted in this hospital. Other than that, the doctors who were there were not qualified enough. There were some BMS doctors, Ayurvedic practitioners also taking care of this facility, and the owner, Dr. Naveen Kichi, whose his wife is a dentist who was also running this hospital, is what the police have said. Now you can see how the building has completely been gutted. Even the neighboring buildings have been affected, and 6 children who were admitted here died. We have people from the ground who were actually in action that day to bring us more details. सर, आप लोग उस समय you were the first responders, आप लोग सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आए थे?
पहले हमारे को एकदम धमाके सुनाई दिए तो हम तुरंत पीछे बैक साइड में रहते हैं और हम तुरंत एकदम उन्होंने बताया भी बच्चे ऊपर में हैं, तो अपने कंधे पे चढ़ा के हमने 2 आदमी को ऊपर चढ़ा दिए। उन्होंने तुरंत 5 बच्चे को उठा लिए हैं, पहले 4 बच्चे उठाए हैं, फिर 1 बच्चा और उठाया है, और उसके बाद में फिर नर्स को पूछा, भैया बोले 11 बच्चे टोटल है भैया। फिर हमने 6 बच्चों के लिए फिर इधर उधर रूम में ढूंढे तो हमने उसका एक आदमी को और साथ में लेके फिर रूम से हमने 6 बच्चे और निकाले हैं। सबको हमने चदरों में लपेट के वैन में डाल के तुरंत हॉस्पिटल में पहुंचाए हैं।
फायर और पुलिस गाड़ी
आधा घंटा बाद आई है, ये सामने आई है। हम पीछे से सारी कार्रवाई करी है टोटली हमने।
क्या वजह रही आग की, आप लोग क्योंकि यही रहते हैं?
मैं खाना खा के घूम रहा था तो जब तक कुछ नहीं था तो वैन में सुर हुआ, क्या हुआ, और एकदम ब्लास्ट हुआ तो मैं भी भाग गया। मैं ऐसा कैसा हुआ, तो एक तो सिलेंडर उधर जाके गिरा, एक ये मित्तल जी है जो रेड कार खड़ी है यहाँ गया, और ये मैं घबरा गया भी मैं ऐसा क्या हो गया, एकदम धमाका बिल्कुल, और इनके सारे शीशे टूट गए, खन्ना जी के ये कोठी के ऊपर के सारे शीशे टूट गए, और भाई साहब फिर एकदम अंधेरा आंखों में आ गया, घबरा गया मैं, पता नहीं ऐसा क्या हो गया।
So basically they are also saying that there were multiple blasts. Police are also saying that there were a lot of cylinders. You can see they are already lying oxygen cylinders, and it is also being suspected that could be because of cylinder refilling that a blast took place which led to the fire, is what the locals say, because they heard a lot of multiple blasts, series of blasts were heard. Police are also saying that they are also looking into if more cylinders than permitted were stashed here. So all these angles are being looked into, and the main angle is that whether or not, because see, four facilities like this were being run by the same owner in Faridabad, Gurgaon and Paschim Vihar as well. So those have also come under the scanner. Police are looking at multiple angles, and also there's likely that there could be more arrests if police goes on to investigate everyone's role who was connected to this facility.